Can you identify for each word pair which of the spelling is correct? Or are you confused? Well, that's what we are going to study in this video. This video focuses on rules of spelling while making plural of nouns. So let's start our video. Rule number 1. For most of the nouns, simply add s to the end of the word. Let's see the examples. Book, books. Journey, journeys. Daughter, daughters. And there are many more such words. Rule number 2. If the noun ends with a consonant plus y, replace the y by ies. Let's see examples. Well, in the first example, as you can see, the noun berry ends with y and there is a consonant r before y. Hence, we have replaced y with ies and formed the plural berries. In the next example, there is same thing, the consonant d plus y, hence y is replaced by ies. The plural of lady is ladies. Next, for baby, it's babies. Let's move on to rule number 3. Rule number 3 states that if the noun ends with ch, s, sh, x or z, then add es at the end. Let's see the examples. Church, the plural of church will be churches. The word ends with ch. Next, bus, buses. Brush, brushes. Box, boxes. As you can see, for each of these words, we have added es at the end of the word to make its plural. However, there is an exception to this rule. If the noun ends with ch and ch is pronounced as k, only add s to make plural. As we see in this example, stomach, stomachs. We have not added es at the end of it. Now, rule number 4. If the noun ends with a consonant or a vowel plus f or fe, then replace f or fe by ves. Let's see the examples to clear this point. Leaf, leaves. Here, as you can see, the word ends in f and there is a vowel a before it. Next, knife, knives. Once again, the word ends in fe and there is a vowel before fe. Hence, fe is replaced by ves. Next, half, halves. Here there is a consonant L before F. So we have replaced F with ves and halves is the plural of half. And shelf, shelves. Once again, there is a consonant L before F. Hence we have replaced F by ves. Now, moving on to rule number 5. In the previous case, if the noun ends with F but there are two vowels that comes before F, then simply add S. Let's see examples to clear this point. Chief, chiefs. Here you can see we have not replaced F by ves because there are two vowels before F, which are I and E. In the next, belief. The same thing, two vowels I and E before F, hence only S is added at the end of the noun. Next, roof, roofs. Once again, two vowels O before F, hence F is not replaced by ves, only an S is added at the end of the word. And there is a last example, cliff, whose plural will be cliffs. Here, this is also one exception. When there are double F at the end, then we only add S at the end of the word to make its plural. Well, the other word can be handcuff and its plural will be handcuffs. Rule number 6 states that if the nouns ending with O use S or ES to make their plural forms. But one special case that is specific is if O is preceded by a vowel, use S. But for others, you can also find that ES is used to make their plural forms. Let's see the examples first. Photo, photos. Well, here there is a consonant used before O, but still we have added S at the end of the word to make its plural. Radio. Here a vowel I is used before O, so only we have added S to make its plural form. But in these cases, tomato, tomatoes, we have added ES. Hero, heroes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. For the last three cases, we have added ES. We are going to elaborate more on this point in our video where we discuss how to make plural of nouns. Now the last, rule number 7. Replace IS by ES if the noun ends in IS. And especially these noun words, they come from a foreign language which is Latin. Let's see the examples. As you can see, crisis, crisis. Here we have replaced IS by ES. Next, neurosis by neurosis. It's the plural form of neurosis. So, as always, it's the time for a little practice on what we have just learned. So here is a short exercise for you in which you have to identify the correct plural spellings. So I request you, please pause this video, attempt these questions, and when you are ready, resume this video to see the correct answers. And here are your answers. I hope you got most of these answers correct. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please feel free to ask your doubts in the comments section. I hope you really liked this video, so please hit on the like button, share this video in your friends and family, and subscribe to the English Monkey channel. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for our daily and weekly specials. Thank you so much. Wait for our next video. Take care. Bye.